People always speak negative things about the Igbos without knowing anything about the Igbos. I grew up to meet this friend of mine back then in school who always condemned the Igbos and speak negatively about us without knowing anything about the Igbos. It's your boy, Keno, speaking, representing the Igbo culture and tradition here in the United States of America. I bring to you a message that you will love to hear. A friend of mine back then in school always condemned the Igbos and speak negative things about us. But he doesn't know anything about the Igbos because he was wrongly deceived or wrongly influenced by his wrong parents. They spoke and told him so many bad things about the Igbos without saying any good thing about the Igbos. And almost all the whole thing that they told this young man, none of them was right. And the young man grew up with such influence to hate the Igbos because of what he was told about the Igbos. What was this young man told? The Igbos used to destroy people's success. The Igbos does not like helping people that are not Igbos, which is wrong. As a young man, I grew up to understand that we, the Igbos, that we have one of the most special connection in the world. We connect with any kind, any tribe, any person on earth. We connect with strangers more than we connect with our own brothers. I grew up to understand that Igbos, that we are specially made from God. This young man mistakenly fought me, all because all the whole negative things that was told about us was real, but none was real. Until one day, he was in trouble, and the person that saved him was an Igbo man. That day, he realized that his parents told him things that were not truth. I am passing this message to those who does not know the Igbos. We are one of the best humans created by God on earth. We have one of the best gifts. We are highly blessed. We are born in strength. We have what it takes to be great. Long live the Igbos. Long live all the Igbos. Long live the Igbos.